Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2016 Lincoln MKX Select 3.7 V6. We'll point out you have a slight imperfection and small ding there, a couple paint chips there. Overall, very clean vehicle, 113,000 miles. We just serviced it. Drives gate, a little bit of wear on the back upper bumper cover. You can see some fine scratches. But besides that, body is in really good shape. Interior's mint condition, really clean. A little bit of paint fade there on the front bumper cover. A couple of very minor rock chips on the hood. But as you can see, overall it's a really clean car. This is a Select, it's a front wheel drive. So it comes with leather, Lincoln My Touch. See, really nice interior with the wood grain. It's heated seats, navigation backup camera. Go ahead and give it a start up. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You can also call or text us. You can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you know anybody who needs any work done on an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or some other foreign and domestic vehicles like this Lincoln, give us a holler. Thanks for checking it out.